2015 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, daytime running lamps, Sirius satellite radio, trailering package. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Davidson, Gebhardt, Chevrolet, and Subaru of Loveland are conveniently located right on I-25 and exit 259 in Loveland.